Yeah. Y'all see, hold on. Kiss the box for me. Y'all see that? One, you know what I'm saying? One. What is one? You know what I'm saying? Mishimoto, man. After the first one don't fail me the first time. These some ignition coils and spark plugs I don't need. They just came with them. I tried to get it without it, but it's cool though. We got the G35 radiator out with the air intake right here. We about to change the radiator out. We about to get everything situated with that so it can stop overheating. But what's going on, Trilly fam, man? Shit got scundo. Yeah, man, we about to be doing the radiator installation on the Is300. We about to go to advanced auto so I can get me some coolant. And yeah, probably need a towel so I can bleed that junk. I don't got no towel. We about to get over to Coupe House because that's where my junk is at right now. In the driveway with ants all over the car. I'm gonna see how I want to get there though. Yeah. Now this nigga don't want to answer, bro. This nigga is playing games right now, bro. This nigga is sending me pictures of my car. This not the nigga who I just called. This nigga say, I see it's for sale, how much? So he got me fucked up. 5 racks right now. This nigga is pulling loose wires from under my car. Y'all can't even see it. This nigga is pulling loose wires from under my car, saying he gonna strike my shit. 5 racks or I'ma strike your shit. I got the Pro Pad. Bro, what is a Pro Pad?
Oh, hell no, man. What the?
This nigga's lifting my license plate up. This nigga's in my car. I don't know how he got in my car unless he threw the window. I don't know, bro. I'ma strike your shit, gang. Come on. I gotta get over there right now. Where he just go? Why niggas not outside now? Is my shit unlocked? How the fuck? How did he just... Nigga, my window was down. Ain't no way. Man, what the fuck? Niggas wanna play games and shit? I will take this fuck nigga quick release right now. This shit open. Lucky bitch. Lucky bitch. I'll take this shit. Fuck going on, bro? Yo, what the fuck you doing, bro? Yo, bring your black ass outside. What? Bro, bring your ass outside, bro. Out, man. I don't loosen all his lugs on his tires right the fuck now. Damn, Nick, birds shitting on my car, ants walking all on my shit. What's going on over here? I hope it's not ants all in my engine bay. That shit go throw me. Let me go get this radiator real quick though. Hold on. Yo, what the fuck that nigga was doing so close to my car, bro? How did he get in my car?
Look, bro.
Let me see your key, bro. Your key fit my car?
Nigga did like these.
Man, that shit like he was in that shit.
Oh God, nigga.
I was like, what the fuck? Hey, Mishimoto, I done bought 2 of these in the last 2 months, 3 months. I'm gonna need a sponsor, big bro. Y'all gonna need to sponsor me for this shit, bro. Just send me a radiator for my G and I'm good. We straight.
I'm gonna go to work, man.
Maybe I did this shit.
Work. You smoke a blizzard though. Fuck going on YouTube? Looking at
The second fucking one. You see this? I'm gonna need a sponsor, bro. Big ass, hold on.
that shit got a W on it. That shit a wishy water.
Man, shut your bitch ass.
I got it on wish list. Nah, that bit is upside down on the box though.
Gonna get blitzed. What the nigga doing just sitting here, bro? Now this nigga wanna drive off when I put the camera on him. Fuck.
I don't know who might be for them.
He ain't for shit. Now see right here. We done took all the other shit out too. That's the throttle body and stuff like that, air intake. I ain't gonna lie, when I turbo my shit, I'm gonna leave my shit no blow off valve for like a week. And then after that, I'm gonna put a blow off valve on that shit. When you got no blow off valve, that be what the fuck? I'm gonna shoot his ass. When you got no blow off valve, that be like. That's what make that shit. You know, you got a blow off valve, that be like, that shit weird. But I don't think I showed y'all last video. This is what my damn fans. Hey, you still got them fans over there?
Probably over there.
Fuck it, they still work. This nigga launched them over here. Oh, here they go. Shit. Hey, you about to have one side that work. If this bitch turn on. Nigga, that's straight. That's what I was running with before. Shit me. They bullshitting on my fans. I ain't about to wait, y'all. I just take them out when they get here. But y'all see this bullshit? $600 sitting right next to each other. Y'all see this? Y'all, I ain't show y'all this. Look at this shit. I don't know what the fuck this is. I don't know how this shit happened. It look burnt. I don't know, bro. Then this shit on the other side.
That's probably from that coolant sitting on it and then they getting hot.
I don't know, bro. And then y'all see that big ass circle, like y'all see the fan was spinning on my shit and that shit, man. But we all good though. We got a new one. About to put this bitch in. I gotta go to Advance too, bro. Get some fucking coolant. Hell no, bro. I put expedited shipping, bro. They ass still didn't ship that shit. Talking about your order couldn't be fulfilled. I hit them niggas today. Yo, I forgot my badge was in here. As y'all see, this is what we done got done under the bed. Y'all see the radiator out, obviously. Fans out. Took the air intake out. Took this apart. I got new ones of these. I'm finna put these in right now. I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, stuffed the shirt in here so none would get inside. Hopefully none got inside because it really wasn't tucked in good. But yeah, I forgot this was over here too. I took this shirt off my back and put it in the car. That's how dedicated you gotta be. You can turn around real quick. I'm about to put the junk in. I'm gonna tell you, I ain't of course I ain't get a video of me taking the radiator out, but it's plain simple. I ain't gonna lie. All you gotta do, obviously, disconnect this, disconnect the bottom hose. You really don't gotta get under the car either. Even if you, I mean, if you lower OD, then obviously you gotta get under the car and lift it up with jack. But I just took my bumper off and just got under the car and just took the hoses off like that. If you got a trans coolant line, you know you gotta disconnect that. If you got a trans oil cooler like me, well, obviously you don't if you know what I'm saying, looking at a video on how to install one. You gotta have two clips. You gotta undo your fans right here, and then you got another one right there. These two, I can't even see, damn. But them two little plugs right there, them your fans, you unplug them, and then you gonna have, that's it. That's all you really gotta undo. This, your fans. After that, you good. But I'm finna be showing y'all how I put them junks in, cause I ain't show you how to take it out. Damn, you cracked the fan thing on the top. I didn't even see that.
So I tell you I threw that bit.
Well, I might have to wait for the fans to come.
Fuck. You gotta get some Let Do It fluid.
Some who?
Let Do It fluid. Some coolant. Shit the hell you reaching for?
This damn plug. Shit got oil. It's for your engine coolant temp switch. That's what it's called? Engine coolant temp?
No, I don't think that one come out.
I guess it do. That's
oh yeah.
Oh, how did I get this shit on? Oh shit, right there. I know what I'm saying though. What?
I'm good. Push the radiator back.
That's what I'm saying.
I'm not talking about the top of that bit. That been on there though. Yeah.
Oh.
What you mean?
I'm a dumbass. I forgot the clip.
It's right here.
Oh shit. Alright, good.
Straight. Got that bitch on there. Just clamp that bitch right there. You feel the little whistle now.
I might put that back more though.
You still got fans, nigga. That's why you whistling. Now you gotta leave it like that. That bit, the tube. I don't think them bitch gonna do it, son.
Zoe Ballout said, Striker Steve racing Fast Life Driver will go crazy. You know who Fast Life Driver is?
Nick.
Any Mopar, it don't matter. Any Mopar, I'm smoking.
There you go.
Yeah. Now for this shit, this the one that had me take this bitch to the shop. And me.
All you gotta do is screw it back too though. The clamp on there? Make sure the clamp on all that too.
I thought it would.
You can pull up the black tanks.
Man. Wish me luck on them motherfucker, bro. Nah. I'll be alone, man. I don't know how I'm finna record by myself. Shit like that. Okay, cool. We got a little angle. We got hands free on bro. Where the clamp at though? I had a clamp for this. There's no clamp on there. There it go. Y'all see the clamp? That junk right here. I was finna go haywire crazy. Alright, you got that junk on? Y'all wanna go tell me y'all couldn't see from the light not being on there? Y'all just wanna not see and shit? We got this little last knob right here. Little shifter gear looking Now we gotta tighten that junk up. You feel it? Do I even got the right driver? No, I don't. Oh, I gotta make sure this junk tight. I never recorded the first time I put the radiator in, but the first time, bro, I could not get this hose on. Like, it was crazy. Y'all see how it's cut. I did that cut because from Mishimoto, from wherever they ship it from, it's like the hose is longer than your OEM hose, so you gotta trim it and stuff like that. So I ended up trimming it, and then I couldn't get this junk on. I really couldn't get this on in here. I mean, I got it on in there. I don't know. It was just, I don't know. I don't know how they did it, but they did it. Nah, I had to pay a good little amount for this just to get put on from hoses. Drove it, had it towed an hour away just to put these on. Crazy, right? Yeah, but I did it. Then I still gotta do these right here, the ignition coils. We got a little amount to do right now. The hell is all that noise right though? Alright, we back, man. Day 2. I ain't even want to continue the video yesterday because it was too dark outside and I ain't had nobody to hold the camera. As y'all seen, he went to work. But we back out here, man. Finna try to get this finished today. No count. SC, you know what I'm saying? I'm all alone, fixing my goddamn bit. Look at this, fucking dagger. Oh, I spoke too soon. I was finna say I don't see no ants. I really don't, but they on here. Look close enough. And I was looking at stuff earlier this morning. It could be a whole bunch of things that's not making my car start, like the relay jump box. We gonna see what's up today, because when I try to start the car up, it don't click. So clicking sound, it could be the solenoid out. I don't be hearing that, so it can't be that. Yo, I might take his wheels while he gone. Leave him on some bricks. Shouldn't have left me here with your SC, nigga. Guess I can go ahead and show y'all around real quick. This where we left off yesterday. We got the radiator and stuff hooked up. Still got to take these out right here. I think I'm finna do that right now. All right, thank you God. I took this from home. This a 19 mil just to take this off right here, bro. I ain't think I had nothing to take it off with, but I do. Thank you, thank you. There we go. Alright, now we done got to buy a new one. We done got this junk out. I didn't even think I was gonna be able to get it out. I thought I was gonna have to buy a new one, but we good. Gotta clean it off though, y'all. See all that gunk? Put this junk back in. We just switched it in. Right, now we got the engine coolant temp sensor put in. Alright, I'm about to screw this back in so this junk can stop freaking moving like it is. This shit just keep on moving around. Gonna scratch my shell. No more slipping and sliding. Alright, I couldn't find a little Allen wrench to get this junk off, so I just ended up using this. Found something that was big enough to go in it. It's an 8. No, it's a 10. So I'm gonna just do these for the rest of these, and then I'm gonna get back with y'all. Alright, got it all. And then we're finna just start pulling these right here. All these little coils, plugs, and shit. You're gonna need a 10 mil for this one right here. I do kind of want to compare them though, cause the ones that I got, that I ordered, kind of look bigger on this end. So I don't know. I'm gonna see. Go have 3 of them. You just unscrew this now. Then you gotta unplug these right here. Got a little black tab on the back. Just undo it. And now, y'all can see all the spark plugs. Fucking leaf in here. This ain't been in here, by the way. This shit just fell in here. So these the old ones right here. And I'm about to compare it to the new ones, cause y'all go see what I'm talking about. This doused in oil, what the hell? That ain't good, y'all. See the difference. The right hole kind of smaller. I only got a little bit of battery on my camera left, so I gotta hurry up, or I can record on my phone, but I don't want to do that. I was smelling this, and oh shit, that definitely had to be the problem. Y'all see that? This had to be the problem why it's not starting. That shit is melted. You can see the metal inside of it, and that's definitely what I was smelling the other day. And it's a cracking, if y'all can see that. That definitely had to be the problem why my junk wasn't starting. And it's mad dirty. I think this is the code that it was giving me. This is bank A or something like that. But all the other ones look straight. And this one look fucking terrible. So we about to install this like so. As y'all see. I don't want to mess nothing up, man. No. You can also tell where the injector goes by how long the line is. Y'all see this basically the middle line, and then it's the smallest one. So you put this all the way to the front. Now we're gonna do the smallest one right here. Alright, we got everything situated. We done plugged all the ignition coils in, screwed them in. Had to go on YouTube University to see what the hell it was going to, but we got them in there nonetheless. I put the throttle back. It's not bolted in, but we put the intake and stuff back on. But I'm just about to do a little time lapse because I'm sure y'all don't care about me going step by step on how to put it back on. Y'all can go to another video. And I'm not finna explain how to put it back on because I barely know myself. I'm just finna find which each fucking thing that don't got a bolt and screw a bolt on there that looks the same, that looks like it's supposed to be there, so. Alright, man, we all done putting it back together. Gotta plug this last thing in. Plug that last thing in, and then, I don't know. Oh, then plug that right there. Now we gotta see it jump. Or at least have a crank. A crank at least. I don't know what's finna happen right now, so let's see. Nope. Aww. No crank still. So it ain't starting. I done put everything back in here as y'all see. Just don't got the fans in there hooked up. I was checking the relay. I don't got nothing to even pull these fuses out, but I don't know if it's the relays. But hey man, it's been your guy Skundo. If y'all enjoyed this video, make sure y'all like, subscribe, share it by y'all know, man. Turn on post notifications so you know every time I post, man. I love y'all. Y'all stay safe, stay on y'all P's and Q's. Wish me good luck that I find a problem on this car, why it's not starting. If y'all know, let me know. Y'all already know. Yeah, man, I'll see you on this video. No cap. I see.
Lay up with a vibe and night off. Spend the night and I'm fucking the lights off. Spray the drums out your car like some lights off.